What if I told you there's a snake so venomous, one bite could theoretically kill over 100 adult humans? Meet the inland taipan, often called the fierce snake. But despite its deadly reputation, there's a lot more to this elusive reptile than meets the eye. Here are 50 fascinating facts about the inland taipan. 1. The inland taipan is widely considered the most venomous snake in the world. 2. Its scientific name is Oxyuranus microlepidotus. 3. It is native to Central East Australia. 4. It lives in remote arid regions, mainly in Queensland and South Australia. 5. Unlike many deadly snakes, it is extremely shy and reclusive. 6. Human encounters are incredibly rare. 7. There are no confirmed fatalities from wild inland taipan bites in modern history. 8. Its venom is primarily neurotoxic, affecting the nervous system. 9. It also contains hemotoxins that affect blood clotting. 10. One bite can contain enough venom to kill over 100 humans, or 250,000 mice. 11. The inland taipan feeds almost exclusively on mammals. 12. Its favorite prey? The long-haired rat. 13. It evolved potent venom to quickly immobilize fast-moving prey. 14. Unlike many snakes, it often strikes multiple times in quick succession. 15. It then waits for the prey to die before consuming it. 16. Adults can grow up to 2.5 meters, about 8 feet long. 17. Their color changes with the seasons. 18. In winter, they appear darker to absorb more heat. 19. In summer, they become lighter in color. 20. This helps regulate their body temperature. 21. Inland taipans are diurnal, active during the day. 22. They prefer hiding in deep soil cracks or abandoned burrows. 23. Their habitat is often dry floodplains and clay soils. 24. They are solitary creatures. 25. They only interact during mating season. 26. Breeding usually occurs in spring. 27. Females lay clutches of 12 to 24 eggs. 28. Eggs hatch after about 2 months. 29. Hatchlings are fully venomous from birth. 30. Young snakes are more vulnerable to predators. 31. Predators include birds of prey and monitor lizards. 32. Despite their venom, they are not aggressive. 33. When threatened, they prefer to escape rather than attack. 34. Their bite is usually a last resort. 35. They are considered less dangerous than coastal taipans due to their temperament. 36. The inland taipan was first described scientifically in 1879. 37. However, it wasn't well studied until the 20th century. 38. For decades, it was rarely seen by humans. 39. Its secretive nature earned it a near-mythical status. 40. It's sometimes nicknamed the small-scaled snake. Antivenom for inland taipan bites exists and is highly effective. 42. It was developed in Australia in the 1950s. 43. Prompt medical treatment makes survival very likely. 44. Most knowledge about them comes from captive studies. 45. They adapt surprisingly well to controlled environments. 46. Despite their fearsome reputation, they play an important ecological role. 47. They help control rodent populations. 48. Their existence highlights the balance of Australia's ecosystems. 49. Conservation status is currently stable. 50. The inland taipan proves that even the deadliest creatures can be misunderstood. So, while the inland taipan may be the most venomous snake on Earth, it's far from the most dangerous. Its secretive nature and reluctance to engage with humans make it more of a hidden marvel than a lurking threat. Which fact surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating wildlife content.